This is the XP Pen Star 3 version 2. At first I was skeptical. I needed something that had the same quality, if not better, than my Bamboo. The XP Pen comes with a USB cable, a stylus holder, and a tip as well as a tip remover holder. In the plastic bag with the warranty, you will find the actual stylus. It has 2 buttons and doesn't require any battery to operate. This is the tablet. And without the warranty and the manual, this is all that is included. But before we continue, the obligatory peeling ASMR.
The matte texture allows your stylus to glide on the surface without slipping, giving it claims to have 8,192 levels of pen pressure. I don't know if my brain can actually detect all those levels, but it definitely feels pretty smooth. When I have a very big brush, it's kind of hard to go to those fine lines. But this is something that I was used to with the Wacom tablet. Overall, I really like this tablet and I would recommend it, especially if you're a beginner. Hopefully I'll be able to review some more professional ones in the future.